This emblem, the truck's 20 years old, and I noticed it was sticking out the other day. I'm like, oh shucks. Oh, I'm gonna glue this back on. I'm gonna take a clean rag and wipe the surface on the body and then the back of this. This is just plastic, and I'm gonna use super glue, and on the other side I glued that one on. They both came loose same time, just weird. And I tested it over there. I just put a small drop on the back to make sure that this plastic, the glue wouldn't melt this plastic, and it was fine. So I know that that's good. So what I'm going to do though is, this body's clean. Washed this just the other day. So I'm going to take some green painter's tape. I'm going to tape around here just so I don't get any glue on the paint. I'm going to put a piece of paper on here, and then that'll come out away from the body in case I drip one. Do not want to get it on the paint. So that should be good. So now I'm going to take off a piece that'll go over there, that'll hold it on. That ready. And with the super glue, take the top off and very carefully the light is not very good in here. Oh, yeah, there you go. Some glue on here. Some good coverage all the way over. Super glue is just like water. Push that on there. This tape. Push that down real good. Push that whole surface. And I'll let that dry. I've let this dry for an hour. Carefully peel this up. I'm going to push on this emblem. Now I got some glue ran down here. See if I can use this tape to remove that. I had gotten some glue on the other side too, and it's really hard to get off. There we go. I could have used a little bit less glue on there, and that ran out. This hasn't set up totally yet. I want to scratch that paint and really gentle. And there we go. Be sure and check out my other videos.